can start?
Yeah.
So in world there are 4 types of major coffee beans. So first is Arabica, Robusta, Excelsa and Liberica.
Okay.
So in India we grow only Arabica and Robusta and 4 to 5% of Excelsa. So the first process is known as pulping. So pulping removes the cherry layer of the coffee beans. So you can put the coffee beans along with the water. So this is the wet process. So you can rotate it. You will get your coffee beans from here. You cannot do it. So you'll get your coffee beans from here and the pulp will go that side. So after you do pulping, you'll get this kind of coffee beans.
Okay.
You remember the parchment?
Yes.
After pulping, we sun dry and then you'll get this kind of coffee beans. We do sun dry. We do check the moisture level of the coffee beans. So the moisture level, it has to be 10.5 to 11.
Okay.
If it doesn't do that, you have to do one small sun dry so that you can proceed to the next process, milling.
Milling.
Yes. I hope you know about the rice mill.
Yes.
So in rice mill, it removes the husk of the rice.
Right.
Likewise, this milling removes the parchment layer of the coffee beans.
Okay.
So after you do milling, you'll get this kind of coffee bean. This is also known as the green beans.
Green beans.
So these two is hand huller. See, right?
Yeah, the husk is removed.
Yeah, the parchment is and the coffee beans. So in these two huller, it will not segregate the parchment and the coffee beans. But in that electric version, the coffee beans will come in different way and the parchment will go in different way.
Okay.
Beans.
What is this process?
Grading.
Grading. So you grade the levels of
Yes.
coffee beans on over.
Total we do have 8. So this will decide how much you will be paying for your coffee. So the biggest the beans, the more expensive it is, the
Bigger
more
beans.
tastier
Right.
and it has more aroma.
Tastier and aroma. Right.
This is the biggest bean. It is known as the triple A. Then it will come down to double A, B, C, PB, block and bits. So this is the least one. So
So the Nescafe and everything that we drink every day is actually made out of the lowest.
least one,
The
the
least
lowest
one.
quality.
But I still love it.
So this is Robusta grade.
Right.
Robusta beans will be little bit darker compared to Arabica. Why? Because this contain more caffeine kick.
No caffeine.
So we do roast the coffee beans. So in coffee process, roasting is the main process.
Roasting, right.
Why? Because only after roasting you get the smell of your coffee and the taste of your coffee, right?
Right.
So
You gotta
this is-
roast things, only then will they be loved, even in life. Okay.
So this will tell you the temperature of this tank. It has to be 180 to 210. When it reaches that, you can put your coffee beans from here.
Inside. Up to 180 to 2.
So this will tell you the temperature you put inside.
Right.
And your coffee, you can fix it here.
Right.
It roast, the medium roast, and the dark roast. But the lighter the roast, it contain more acid level.
More acidic. If
So people will go for medium to dark roast.
Americano?
Espresso, and your milk coffee.
that's for milk and that's for dark.
So this is freshly roasted Arabica beans.
Okay, I'm yours smelling the coffee. Wow, this does take me back to the Arabica coffee that we had at the Dubai airport with mom when we were going to Italy, and the smell is supreme, obviously. I mean, the number of levels that there are and the steps that go into coffee making is clearly what makes it so fresh, aromatic, and gives you that kind of caffeine hit.
So next is grinding. So in grinding also we have 3 types. This is the coarse one.
Coarse grinding. Right, this is the medium grind. This is the finest
Yes,
grind.
your instant coffee.
Yeah.
This fine one you can use in Turkish coffee, AeroPress, and even in instant coffee they are using this one. So this medium one you can go with your kind of machine.
The medium one is for the French press, and that's for your powdered coffee.
So you heard about
This is the one that we use for the French press.
No, this is for the pour over.
Pour over,
You can use this for French press, this one.
and that's for the
Turkish
milk.
coffee and this one.
Got it. Yes.
So next is chicory. So what chicory does to your coffee is that it adds depth to your coffee. So
Depth.
when you take filter coffee, you can feel the thickness of the coffee compared to other normal coffee. And it adds color to your coffee.
This is what adds thickness to your coffee.
So it adds more colorful to your coffee. Filter coffee to other normal and it's break down the bitterness of your
Okay. This is actually what breaks down the bitterness.
So the bad things about chicory is that let's just smell.
Chicory. Yes.
So imagine you are putting in your coffee with the filter coffee. That is cat food, boiling it. So how bad that will be for your health.
Right.
That's why sometime after you take filter coffee, you might feel acidity. That is the bad things
Acidity is
about
because of the
chicory.
chicory. Right.
About the cat food
No.
coffee.
This is a way coffee. No.
Cigarette coffee. They eat only the cherry layer. So when it reaches to their enzyme extract all the acid level of the coffee beans. They poop out the pure coffee without any acid level. So that's why this is the most expensive coffee in the world.
This is the pour over with coarse grind of coffee. Like Lord, the camera is fogging up my lens. That looks and smells delicious.
This is for men.
This is Arabica, right?
Yes.
Black coffee. This is healthy one, right? If you drink this black coffee.
Without any chicory.
Chicory, I came to know right now what's the chicory. मैं उससे black coffee भी. Arabica has a bigger beans and the smaller leaf, and Robusta has a bigger leaf and smaller beans. Morning only the nature walk. It was great fun. Spotted 2-3 birds.
So many
That long, you know. Yes. A black coffee.
Told how to laugh from.
That explained me that read a good book. Don't skip. Rashida. Yeah, come to me. Come to me.
इधर आ जाओ.
इधर आ जाओ. लेके आ जाओ. Have a breakfast today. तुमको सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं मिस करना चाहिए. पता है कितने लड़के आए थे, सब अपने नाइट सूट में भी आ गए.
मैं नाइट सूट में थी.
तो तुमको मैं
सोचा मम्मी चलाएगी.
नहीं तो तुमको मैंने बोला आओ, डोंट स्किप द ब्रेकफास्ट. ये ना टाइम के
चेयर ज़्यादा बैठे.
बहुत अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट. ऐसा कहाँ मिलेगा. चिली फ्रेश टमाटो बेसिल एंड प्याज डाल के. चलो अब ये मेरा ये
तो आप स्टार्ट और स्टॉप करो. इधर आके बैठ जाओ यार.
वहाँ पर ऐसे में बात ही
इधर कहाँ?
मुझे हाँ अच्छा लगा.
स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप से स्टार्ट कर दो ना. स्टॉप. सोचिए हम दोनों का शॉर्ट आएगा.
कुछ नहीं तुमको करना है.
क्या नहीं करना? ये भी तो मेरा एक पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब है.
तुमको ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए तुम ऐसे ही कर रहे हो. हेल्दी क्या?
ओके एंजॉय कॉफी.
मेरा लेग